You are in the live class of Joint for Education. In this class, I am going to solve question number 11 to 20 of this exercise, exercise 5.2. In the last class, I have solved up to question number 10. Let's see the solution. So I am going to read this question. In this question, ask us which term of AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term. So let's see the solution of this question. First of all, we write here solution. So from question it is clear that here first term, which is generally denoted by A, equal to 3, and common difference, which is generally denoted by D, 15 minus 3 equal to 12, and here given here will be 132 more than its 54th term. So let's see, this is the nth term. 54th term plus 132. After there is no problem to understand up to this step. So we know that what will be here an equal to a first term plus n minus 1 into d, and a54 equal to a plus 53 d plus 132. After there is no problem to understand up to this step. So we cancelled out a. So here next step will be n minus 1, and now putting the value of d, which is 12. So we write down here 12 equal to 53 into 12 plus 132. So here next step will be n minus 1 into 12 equal to, we take 12 as the common, then here will be 53 plus 11. After there is no problem to understand up to this step. We cancelled out 12. Then next step here will be n minus 1 equal to, addition of these two will be 64. So here will be, when minus 1 move in the right hand side, then in the left hand side we have n, and equal to 64 plus 1 equal to 65. So the answer of this question will be 65. Which term? It means that 65th term of the given AP will be 132 more than 54. So we write down here n equal to 65. This one will be the answer of this question. Note down the solution of this question. After there is no problem to understand the solution as well as the explanation of the solution of this question. If you have any doubt, write into the live chat box, which is open to all of you. So this is the question number 12. I am going to read question number 12. In question number 12, ask us two APs have some common difference. The difference between 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term? Observe there is no problem to understand the question. Let's see, write down here solution. So from question it is clear that common difference which is generally denoted by D. So first AP, it means that first arithmetic progression and second arithmetic progression. In this question we have two arithmetic progression and both have same common difference. The difference of their 100th term, let the first term of first AP equal to A1 and the first term of the second AP equal to A2. So according to question, the difference between their 100th term is 100. It means that A1 100 minus A2 100 equal to, here will be A1 plus 99D minus A2, here will be plus 99D. The difference of these two is 100, so we write down here 100. Or next step here will be A1 plus 99D minus A2 minus 99D equal to 100. So we cancel out this one, then here we get A1 minus A2 equal to 100. Suppose this is the equation number 1. After that there is no problem to understand up to this step. So here what ask in this question, what is the difference between their 1000th term? It means that we write down A1 1000 minus A2 1000 equal to, here will be A1 plus what, 999D minus, here will be A2 plus 999D. So here will be A1 plus 999D minus A2 minus 999D. So we cancelled out this one, plus minus, then we get here A1 minus A2. So from question equation number 1, here will be A1 minus A2 equal to 100, which will be the answer of this question. Of that there is no problem to understand the solution of question number 12. Note down the solution. Solution of exercise 5.2 is going on, and all questions are arithmetic progression. So this class is going to be the useful of the schooling of students of class 10. So it is not necessary to write so many fallout words. You note down the solution. Okay. Stop to writing. So let's see the solution of question number 13. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So write down your solution. So list 3-digit number which are divisible by 7 each. Therefore, first term here will be what? 105. First term will be 105. Nth term here will be 994. And D here will be 7. And in this question, what is the value of N? Observe, there is no problem to understand. So we recall An equal to A1 plus N minus 1 into D. Now putting the value of An, which is 994, A1 105, N minus 1 into D, which is 7. When 105 move in the left hand side, then next step here will be So the subtraction of this one will be 14 minus 5 equal to 9, 8 minus 0 equal to 8, and 9 minus 1 equal to 8 equal to 10 minus 1 into 7. So here will be 8, 8, 9 by 7 equal to 10 minus 1. So here will be 1 and 7 to the 14. 18 minus 14 equal to 4, 49. So 7 7 ja 49 equal to 10 minus 1. When minus 1 move in the left hand side, then we get here 127 plus 1 equal to 10. Therefore, here will be n equal to 128. So this one will be the answer of this question. So hope that there is no problem to understand the solution of this question. If you have any problem or any doubt to understand the solution of this question, write into the comment box or live chat box. Note down the solution of this question. Solution of exercise 5.2 is going on. So you can write anything related to this solution. And have you any doubt to understand the solution? Write down in the live chat box. Let's see the question number 14. In question number 14 is saying that how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250. So let's see the solution of this question. So here first term, which is generally denoted by A, is 12, which is multiple of 4, and suppose nth term, which is 250 divided by 4, then we get here 4 6 are 24, 4 2 are 8, and we have 2 as the remainder. So 250 minus 2 equal to 248, which is multiple of 4. So here an will be 248, and d equal to here will be 4. And in this question asks us what is the n equal to what. So we recall the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here will be an equal to 248 equal to 12 plus n minus 1, and the value of d is 4. So here will be 248 minus 12 equal to n minus 1 into 4. Or here will be 8 minus 2 equal to 6, and 4 minus 1 equal to 3, 236 equal to n minus 1 into 4. When 4 move in the left hand side, then this one will be 236 by 4 equal to n minus 1. Or when 236 divided by 4, then we get 59 equal to n minus 1. Therefore, here will be n equal to 59 plus 1 equal to 60. So this one will be the answer of this question. After there is no problem to understand the solution of question number 14. Note down the solution of this question. The name of this chapter is Arithmetic Progression. Let's see the last question of this class, which is question number 15. For what value of n are the nth term of two f which are equal? Let's see the solution of this question. So, first step is let the first term of first step is a1, which is 63, and common difference, suppose this is the d1, which is 65 minus 63 equal to 2. Second AP, first term, suppose first term is a2, which is 3, and suppose common difference d2, which is 10 minus 3 equal to 7. From question it is clear that nth term of these two AP are equal, therefore a1n equal to a2n. So here will be the value of this one is a1 plus n minus 1 into the value of d is d1 equal to a2 plus n minus 1 into d2. After there is no problem to understand up to this step. So we write down this one, n minus 1 into d1 minus n minus 1 into d2 equal to a2, and this a1 move in the right hand side, so we write down here minus a1. Now putting the value of a1, a2, d1 and d2. So here will be what? We write down n minus 1, d1 minus d2 equal to the value of a2 is 3, the value of a1 is 63. So we write down here n minus 1, the value of d1 is 2, the value of d2 is 7 equal to here will be minus 60. Or n minus 1 into we write down here minus 5 equal to minus 60. Hope that there is no problem to understand up to this step. We cancelled out minus minus. Then in this step we get here n minus 1 equal to 60 by 5 equal to 12. Therefore here will be n equal to 12 plus 1 equal to 13. So this one will be the answer of this question. Hope that there is no problem to understand the solution of this question. Now I am going to recap the solution of these 5 questions. In the next class I will solve next 5 questions. Let's see the recap of these 5 questions. तो नमस्कार, मैं आनंद और आप जॉइन फॉर एजुकेशन के लाइव क्लास में था। आज मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, 12, 13, 14 और 15 को सॉल्व किया। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू यूज हिंदी लैंग्वेजेज as well as the English languages. So this class will be useful to the Hindi medium student as well as the students who are not very well in English. तो जो बहुत अच्छे इंग्लिश में नहीं है, जो हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों लैंग्वेज का यूज करके सॉल्यूशन करते हैं, उसके लिए तो फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन इट इज क्लियर दैट एक डाटा प्रिपेयर कर लिया गया, फॉर्मूले को रिकॉल कर लिया गया और इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर दिया गया। यदि कोई दिक्कत हो आपको तो लाइव चैट बॉक्स में आप लिख सकते हो। आई विल ट्राई माई लेवल बेस्ट टू क्लियर योर डाउट। सो नोट डाउन द सॉल्यूशन को नोट डाउन कर लो आप। एक डाटा प्रिपेयर कर दिया गया है, फर्स्ट टर्म कॉमन डिफरेंस और nth टर्म के फॉर्मूले को रिकॉल कर दिया गया है, बाकी वैल्यू पुटअप कर दिया गया है। एक सिंपल एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन का यूज करते हुए इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर दिया गया। ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 है। इसमें बोल रहा है कि 2 एपीज है और उसका कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम है। बोलता है 100th टर्म का कॉमन डिफरेंस आपका 100 है, तो बोल रहा है कि यदि उसका 1000 टर्म का डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करे तो क्या होगा। तो कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम है तो उसको डी सपोज कर दिया गया, इक्वल टू फर्स्ट एपी इक्वल टू सेकंड एपी। फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ फर्स्ट एपी A1 सपोज किए हैं और फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ सेकंड एपी A2 सपोज किए हैं। फॉर्मूले को रिकॉल कर लिए। A100 इट मींस दैट A1 प्लस 99D और फिर सेकंड एपी के लिए A2 प्लस 99D कैंसल आउट हो गया है और कैंसल आउट होने के बाद A1 माइनस A2 इक्वल टू 100 आया। फिर 1000 टर्म के लिए रिकॉल कर दिया गया, कैलकुलेशन किए तो वहां पर भी A1 माइनस A2 आया। A1 माइनस A2 का वैल्यू ऑलरेडी फाइंड आउट किया जा चुका है जो कि 100 है। सो यहाँ पर 100 आंसर हो गया। इस सॉल्यूशन को भी नोट डाउन कर लीजिए, ये रिकैप चल रहा है। बोल रहा है कि कितना टर्म 3 डिजिट का होगा जो 7 से डिविजिबल होगा। तो जो लीस्ट 3 डिजिट का नंबर होगा और स्मॉलेस्ट जो होगा 105 होगा और जो ग्रेटेस्ट होगा तो ग्रेटेस्ट 3 डिजिट का नंबर 999 होगा। 7 से डिवाइड किए, रिमाइंडर 5 आ गया, उसमें से 999 में से 5 को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिए तो 994 आ गया। तो आपका ग्रेटेस्ट 3 डिजिट नंबर जो होगा 994 होगा। फिर से रिकॉल कर लिया गया, कैलकुलेशन किया गया तो n का वैल्यू 128 आ गया। तो 3 डिजिट का जो नंबर होगा जो 7 से डिविजिबल होगा उसका नंबर हो जाएगा 128। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 है, बोल रहा है कि 10 और 250 के बीच में कितने ऐसे नंबर होंगे जो 4 से डिविजिबल होंगे। ठीक है, तो पहला जो नंबर होगा वो 12 होगा और जो 250 के बीच वाला जो होगा तो 250 को 4 से डिवाइड कर दिया गया है रेड कलर में, तो रिमाइंडर 2 आया। इट मींस दैट 250 माइनस 2 इक्वल टू 248। तो आपका 248 और 12 और इसका कॉमन डिफरेंस आपका कितना जाएगा, तो मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 है तो 4 जाएगा। तो सिमिलरली यहाँ से कैलकुलेशन कर दिया गया और कैलकुलेशन के बाद कितना आया आपका 60 आया। और व्हाट वैल्यू ऑफ n और द nth टर्म ऑफ 2ap, 2ap के nth टर्म जो है आपका इक्वल होगा फर्स्ट एपी का फर्स्ट टर्म 63 है, डाटा से क्लियर हो रहा है, क्वेश्चन से क्लियर हो रहा है। और कॉमन डिफरेंस फर्स्ट एपी का हो जाएगा 65 माइनस 63 इक्वल टू 2 हो जाएगा। सेकंड एपी का फर्स्ट टर्म a2 सपोज किए हैं जो 3 हो जाएगा और कॉमन डिफरेंस आपका 10 माइनस 3 इक्वल टू 7 हो जाएगा। यहाँ nth टर्म दोनों का इक्वल है तो पहले एपी का nth टर्म a1 प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू d1 हो जाएगा इक्वल टू सेकेंड एपी का nth टर्म आपका a2 प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू d2 हो जाएगा। कैलकुलेशन करने के बाद n का वैल्यू कितना आ गया तो 30 आ गया। So I have recap क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 to 15, 11 से 15 के क्वेश्चन को मैंने रिकैप भी कर दिया और सॉल्व भी किया। तो इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास आई विल सॉल्व नेक्स्ट 5 क्वेश्चन। टिल देन थैंक्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू। लेट इवनिंग में ये क्लास को लगाया गया, ऑफ दैट आप बाद में भी देख लीजिएगा, यूट्यूब में ये रहेगा ही रहेगा। अगर आपको क्लास ठीक लगता है तो इसको आप अपने सराउंडिंग में शेयर भी कर दीजिएगा, इसको सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, लाइक कर लीजिए ताकि आपको इमीडिएट नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए जब मैं लाइव में आता हूँ। तो ऑफ दैट दिस क्लास विल बी यूजफुल टू द schooling of students of class 10 having a subject mathematics. So in the next class I will solve next 5 questions. Till then, thanks to all of you. Thank you very much.